Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna play a different hobby this time. This time I don't want distractions. I have been seeing a lot of chats. I don't want that to happen anymore. And Escape from Poppet. Oh my god, I love this game, guys. Ever since this Poppet just came out, I didn't even buy. I couldn't able to buy. I cannot go shopping just because of it. And yeah, I wanna play this game so bad, for sure. I don't know why, but I just really wanted to play it so bad. Okay, no bothers, no chats, and yeah, let's continue playing hobbies. We shouldn't be caring about chats that going on, okay? And let's keep continuing. And the guy I showed you, oh, I didn't show you guys, but one of my friend is actually fishy blocks. See, but I don't know who do I tell because I don't want to expose people like that because he will get into problem if I expose him. That's the truth because I don't want to expose anyone. Like, that's rude. And guys, if you didn't know who I am really Niveta Place. It's Niveta Place. Zach guy was asking me. Oh my god, I want to pop it so bad. Lol. I love how they gave me a pop it then. Pop it. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Having. Oof, I just got it. It's fine. It's just one time I just got it. Two times. But it's fine. You can't comment anything, I think. So, you know why you can't comment me? Because I'm doing voice reveal of hobby. I have never done a voice reveal of hobby. And oh my god, it's already 4:08. What I was I thinking? Playing this Roblox. Oh. Third time, fourth time got oofed. Let me go near. Let me go near. Yes. Keep doing. Keep doing. Anyway, go live. Yes. I love this song, guys. But still, it's great. People dislike me. I only like people who loves me and being a biggest fan. And soon I'm gonna be testing my fans who are my biggest fans. I don't want hater of me. I only want biggest fan of me. And I see like 81%, like 31% or some percent of people not yet subscribe, but they watch my vids. They say I'm a huge fan, and finally they get to meet me in real life, not in real life, in game. They don't know how I look like in face reveal, and people have been saying do face reveal. After I did face reveal, you will screenshot it and blackmail me. I know about you sometimes, but still it's fine. I don't know who joined me. Someone is just roasting. Don't mind about that. That happens in every hobbies. Because just because people can't do hobbies, it doesn't mean just laugh at them. Just at least trying. Duh. My grandmother calls her end it, guys, because yep, I wanna do hobbies, but still I can show you in different hobbies also. I love to pop it. I wish I had that in real life. I would relax all day without any stress. I keep getting stressed, guys, but people don't care if I get stressed. You know why? I'm real life college student. If you didn't know me, And not only that, I am second year right now, second year of college student. And you think that it's very easy to live life as college student? It's really difficult. I get stressed. I don't know about you guys, but only man you need in the morning, only when when you want, call me when you need, call me in the. Call anyone, call me when you need, call me in the morning, only when you wait. My favorite song, oh my god. You see, guys, I talk too much fluent English that I make grammar mistakes. I'm not wrong in it. But stop judging their grammars, guys. That is kind of rude of you guys. Yesterday, I got bullied by a girl or a boy. I don't know. Two members. Three members, I think so. One boy and one girl. Trying to say, shut up to me and harassing me. It's harassing me, bullying me, and judging my grammars. Oh my god, I can't even take that anymore. Like, stop bullying. Why do you play this game for? Bullying people? It's for entertainment, not bullying people. Ugh, so annoying kids these days. Let me read. I think it's going to be. Oh, no, wait, it's going to be red. I'm helping that poor girl so she knows how she does. Because I don't want to leave people like that. I'm teaching them. So, what do you think? Like, am I really betraying my friends? Because some people thinks I am not a betrayal. I am kindest people I ever seen. If you ask my best friends, they will still tell you how kind of a people I am. Because you keep judging my things. Now playing Lost Without You. Oh, I think sometimes the song plays, changes itself. It's awesome. Wait, no, wait, guys, careful. I think I made a huge mistake. Oh, wait, so I should be crossing there, not here. No, don't go there, girl, don't go there. Oh, you're helping? Yeah, she is. Thank you, Foxy Girl 10. Maybe, I don't know. It's best to play this hobby, but still I can. No one gave in. Sorry. You lost without me. I think I'm. Oh no, sorry. I have a pro skills on doing the sliding part. Which game you're pro at it, just play that. Don't make it difficult. You can make it difficult to challenge yourself, guys, but it's fine. And finally, my friends didn't join me. Oof. They were trying to spy on me, pranking me the whole time. Oh my god, I can't even take my friends anymore. Like, seriously, if you have online friends, get to know them first and then friend whoever you want to. Okay, guys, that's a fact. And my mom says, I don't want to say that, but still, I don't want to say it. My mom says don't keep too much friends with online. I just want some like 27 friends. That is enough. Because you see, you know how I know this game Roblox? It's by my dad's friend's son. He plays Roblox all the time. He suggested me this game. When I found out there are more games in the same Roblox, I decided how about I do this. I start my own YouTube channel and record full Roblox. How about I do that? Looks like my own friend Alex just joined me after he took revenge on me. Nice try. It's fine. Why would I bother asking? And they try to take revenge on me. Oh my god, I won! I won! So guys, what do you guys think? Ah! Oh my god. It's okay guys, it's okay. I just won and that is why. It's alright. We have some fun. We have this masterpiece. Oof, let me oof myself. So guys, I won this hobby, guys. Congratulations to me. And guys, I was there like I was just thinking. Congratulations to me, guys. I have finally won. So guys, what do you guys think? Like and subscribe to my channel if you want to know more of my want to know more of my channel in here. And guys, it's fine and it's okay. I'm getting stuck. It's fine. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so I can play more hobbies for you guys. And I have 62 subscribers. Thank you for 62 subscribers, guys. Bye.